Hello everybody, today I am going to go over the stem and leaf plot activity. First, I'm gonna do one example and then you will take care of the other three. You are seeing a math test score and you're about to find the following data landmarks for the math test score using the stem and leaf plot. So the stem start at 6. Then the leaf start at 5. That means a person that score a 65 on a math test. 6 and 8 mean that person score a 68. 10 and 0, that mean that kid make 100. And also there's another 0, that mean there's 2 kids that make 100. So you should be able to read the score. Maximum mean the highest score, which is 100, right? This is a 10 and 0 mean 100. Minimum is the lowest score. To have the maximum and the minimum, I am able to find a range. 100 minus 65 give me a 35. Mode mean most, the one that repeat the most. So if after you look at the leaf, you will see which one that repeat the most, that's gonna be the mode. So 11 repeat twice, 85 repeats twice, 100 repeat twice, 88 repeat twice. However, 89 is the mode because it's repeated 3 times. Median mean middle. So you're gonna find a middle number, okay? I like to cross out one thing at a time until I can find a middle number. Okay, so let's do that. 65, 100. 68, 100. 70, 98. 71, 98. Another 71, 95, 74, 94, 77, 92. 85, 89. 85, 89, 87, 89. So this is my middle number. Mean average. So that means I'm gonna add all of the score up and divide it to the number they are. So I would add 65 to 68, 70, add 71, add another 71, add a 74, add the 77, add the 85, add the 85, add them up all up. Okay, keep going. I think I missed 88, sorry. Then 92, 94, 95, 98, and 98. There's 100. Okay, and we're gonna divide it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So since we have a lot of a number, if there are 10 number, I would expect you to line them up and calculate the mean. However, since we have 21 number, it's gonna take forever, so we can use the calculator to help. Okay, so you can punch these number into a calculator and divide it by 21. Go ahead and do that. So after I add them up, I have 1,785, and I divide it by 21. I will get my average around 85, which makes sense, right? 85 is kind of like in the middle, and yeah. So So we good? So you going to complete the pieces of candy on your own. Again, I don't mind you use calculator to calculate the mean, add them up and divide to how many they are. Okay. Okay, we're gonna complete problem. This one. The create stem and bleed plot using the following data. Point score in a football game. So we have the chart. This is the stem. And this is the leaf. Okay. We're going to find the smallest number and then the highest number. So we know what number we start and what number we end. So it seems like we have one digit number and the smallest number is 6. So your stem will start at 0, okay? And we have the 10th. And then we have some 20-ish, some 30-ish. And then do we have any 40 or not? So I don't see anything that... Oh yeah, this point score in football, so it should be maximum is 30 something. All right, so we have smallest number is 6. There are 2 of them. So feel free to cross it out. So you can use the comma in between if you don't. You don't have to, but just give a space between a number. Then we have 7. There are 2 of them. There's a 9. There's another 9. So one digit number is done. So start with the 1. I see the smallest number is 14. So we write out the 4. Another 14. 17. And then we have 20, which is the 0. 21, we have 121, 221, 321, 421. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Then we have 24 and 28. There are 2 of them. 31, 34. Oh, there's 30. Sorry. 31, 34, and 35. To make sure we get it all, we will count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I miscount, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 21 numbers. So if my leaf have 21 number, that means I get it correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We're good. So we just create a stem and leaf plot for the last problem, okay? Problem number 2 and number 3, I think you can handle it. So do it on your own. Feel free to check the key at the end. All right, and have a good day.